Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 15 Pro. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 15 Pro. Today's video, I will be reviewing the Spigen Classic C1 case that I decided to pick up for the iPhone 15 Pro from Amazon. I've been using Spigen for many years now. I actually reviewed a couple cases for the 15 Pro. Check out the description. I will have the links there for the other cases that I reviewed, and stay tuned. I do have more Spigen cases coming up. Like we normally do in my case reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can your wireless charge? Is the MagSafe strong? Do you get the camera protection you look for? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But let's go ahead and get it started. Nice presentation from them. The same thing, like I said in every video, it's the same presentation. And if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So it works for them. But let's see the case itself. Now this is supposed to be a throwback to an older case they used to make. I think that's what it said on Amazon. But, oh, okay. And it comes in like graphite color, also a ruby, and then this color here, which is Bondi blue. But, oh, I like that. I like that color. And then you have the little clear thing. You can see right through that. The inside has like this soft cushion foam pattern there, so it won't scratch off the back of your phone. It is a solid case. Man. Okay, it fits really good. Okay, maybe a little too good. Okay, it's in there. Now the power button feels really good. The Vine rockers are nice and tactile too. Let's check out the action button. The action button is easy to press. Not a problem there. Man. Everything lines up at the bottom. Do you get lip protection? You get some. Again, I wouldn't drop the phone, slam it down, but you will get some protection all the way around it. It works great with their screen protector, because that's what I have on it. It doesn't add bulk to your phone. It's not a bulky case. Actually feels kind of good. You get a little bit of lip action, camera protection for your camera lenses there. I do like the clear bottom at the bottom. Look at that. You have a little logo there too. What y'all think about this case? And when you lay it down, it doesn't rock. I want to test out the fit. Now the fit, I haven't seen a case fit like this in a long time. Like I can't even pull it down or anything. Now, will it be impossible to get off? It's going to take some work to get this case out, the phone out of the case too. Now, how strong is this magnet and can you wireless charge? And you can see the logo, the Apple logo right through there. Does this bring back memories for y'all? You can wireless charge, and the magnet is pretty strong on there too. It is. Not the one of the strongest, but it's strong enough. It's going to take a lot for it to fall off, which is good. It passed the force test, Doesn't fall off like that. So magnet is strong on there. The fit is amazing. Really good. The buttons are nice and tactile. Doesn't add bulk to your phone, as you can tell by these pictures here in the video. Doesn't weigh too much. The case does not weigh much at all. That's, I guess, something that Apple folks worry about, because I've been getting comments about how much does the case weigh. I don't have a scale. I don't think I'm going to add a scale to my videos, but, I don't think this case weighs a lot. It doesn't make the phone weigh a lot either. but it definitely, man, it fits really snug in there. And the grip is good too. It doesn't feel like a slippery case. Doesn't have any like traction on the sides, but it's just the plastic they use. It makes it feel, it's not gonna slip out of your hands either. But if you wanna pick up this case, look in the description. I will have the links there. You can get it from Amazon. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 15 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.